Today on Chloe's Inbox. Dear Chloe, I know you know the guy I loved all the way from Canada. His name is Jason. I am Mel. His ex-girlfriend, bal. Dear Chloe, I know you know the guy I loved all the way from Canada. His name is Jason. I am Mel, his ex-girlfriend here in the Philippines. Pumunta po si Jason sa Philippines for a vacation at naguluhan po siya sa mga naging revelations sa pagkatao ko. May boyfriend po ako bago kami na in love ni Jason sa isa't isa. Pero alam niya po yon at sinabi niyang maghihintay siya para sa right moment namin. Alam niya pong hindi ako masaya sa boyfriend ko. Nung dumating po siya dito, nasabi niya po sa family ko ang tungkol sa amin. Ang mali ko po, hindi po alam ng family ko ang real score between me and my boyfriend. So nagalit po sila sa akin kasi nag-two-time daw po ako. Kaya sinabihan nila si Jason na hindi ako ang right girl para sa kanya kasi wala daw akong good education at good status in life. And Jason came from a rich family. Paano daw ako may pagmamalaki ni Jason? He started to think that time. Sabi niya bakit daw ganon ang sinasabi sa kanya ng pamilya ko. Puro against me. Alam niya ang buong pagkatao ko pero nagpatalo pa rin siya at pinaniwalaan ang pamilya ko. Kasi hindi naman daw po sila ibang tao para hindi niya paniwalaan. Tama naman po siya. Ang sa akin lang, hindi naman po lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay ko ay alam ng family ko. So kung hinuhusgahan nila ako, sana hindi siya naniwala kasi alam naman niya ang lahat. Then may nangyari pa po. Sabi sa akin ni Jason, kung talagang mahal ko siya, harapin ko raw po ang family ko. Nagpunta po ako para harapin siya at ang family ko. Kaso sabi ng pinsan ko, para saan pa daw? Sinabi din daw ni Jason sa family ko na tinapos na po niya ang about sa amin. Ang point po ng pinsan ko, para saan pa daw po ang gagawin ko? Lalabas lang daw po na pinipilit ko ang sarili ko ayaw na nga po ni Jason sa akin. Ang ending po, nagalit din po ako sa kanya at nakapag-post sa group chat namin na hindi maganda na nakita niya po at lalo niyang ikinagalit. I just proved that my family was right in everything they said about me. Lately, I thought that what I did was wrong and the very reason why we broke up. I wanted to explain my side but I don't know how because he has made up that I cheated on him. Actually, hindi ko po siya pinapapunta kasi plano na po talaga nila ng tito niya na magbakasyon dito. Mas nagpursige lang po siya. At first, we were just friends sa chat and eventually we fell in love with each other even if I am in a relationship. Ang mali ko po, hinayaan ko kasi mahal ko na din siya. But he said that he will wait until I am free. My family didn't give us chance to talk. Kaya po lalong gumulo. Sana DJ Chloe pag nakausap niyo siya, pakisabi pong sorry. Hindi ko po siya niloko. Gusto ko pong maging maayos kaming dalawa dahil minahal ko po talaga siya. Salamat po. Hi Mel, I was actually wondering why the poor guy didn't come and visit me at the station anymore Kasi sabi niya nga bibisitahin niya ako dito because he's coming to the Philippines because he was meeting you. But then I thought maybe you guys are busy with each other and my hopes were, really high for both of you. You never mentioned nor did he mention that you're committed to someone else. Wala rin naman siya nakwento sa akin. Siguro bakit mo naman kasi pinasubo yung tao na pumunta pa ng Pilipinas para lang mapahiya? You know what I think? Hindi kaya masyado kang nagsisiguro. Committed ka but you like him. You led him on so he came over to meet you only to be disappointed. Walang right moment kasi may boyfriend ka pa, committed ka pa. The right moment is kapag hiwalay ka na or hiniwalayan mo na si boyfriend mo at pinili mo siya. Hindi kaya masyado ka namang nagsisiguro kasi baka mamaya pinapunta mo dito yung tao tapos hindi mo nagustuhan at least meron ka pang isang nakareserba. 'Di ba? But yeah, anyway, nangyari na and things happen for I'm sure things happen for a reason. I can't blame your family. Your relationship with your boyfriend is probably deep already and they're thinking you'll end up with him. Yun ang kilala kasi ng pamilya mo hanga ako sa pamilya mo kasi hindi ka tinolerate, 'di ba? Kasi foreigner 'yan. Tapos sabi mo nga may kaya pa. O di iba't iba magte-take advantage na. Tapos sasabihin ay walayan mo na yung boyfriend mong Pinoy at dito ka na lang. O 'di ba sa foreigner mong boyfriend na may kaya pa, sabi mo nga. Pero hindi ka nila, 'di ba? Hindi ka nila tinolerate, hindi ka nila kinonsinte. O, hindi ka rin nagbigay ng heads up na may bisita kang foreigner. So next time, if you happen to have second thoughts, again, I think you should choose the second one because no one will catch your fancy if you're really into your boyfriend. And give up your boyfriend next time. He doesn't deserve someone who's having who's having second thoughts also about him. You don't deserve him. So, mas magandang palayain mo na lang siya. Okay? So, God bless you, Mel. I hope maging okay kayo.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.